This one sweet me, Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Yes, Evangelist Ebuka Obi 2024. Now you get this one. I just say make I come say thank God for bringing you out, Evangelist. Twin, you and your brother. I just say thank God for having you. At Ngokpala, Imo State. Who say God no they do better thing? God, you they do better thing. No, now make me say make I come thank God. I'm here thanking God for what He have been using you to do. Ha! My people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the location you're watching me from. This is Love Ada Family TV.
Sister Esther Nwachukwu. Sister Esther Nwachukwu. Let her come out immediately so that we can, on behalf of Engineer CC Obi, Ozokwe, we heard your for Veronica Obi, Sister Chinyere, Sister Ogechi, Sister Onyinye Okechukwu Nazoka, on behalf of all the lovers of Zion, we are giving out the vehicle. Who is Sister Esther Nwachukwu? The fourth person brought the mass security. Brother Justin, come and pick another one. Brother Justin. Let's see Anika. Who is the third one? Sister Jomigwe. We are surprising them with cars. Olebuchema, pick one. Which one are you picking?
Ah, my people, are they happy? Say Evangelist don't blow. By next year, 5 million. Evangelist. Or don't do am. You get people where we say they like wetin you they do. They say they do and they go. Now me. Evangelist Ebuka Obi, you will live, you will not die to fulfill your days. This is just the beginning. Me wanna see you. The one way good make we talk am. I beg all these people where they carry evangelists. Hey, anu kwuru njọ ka ekwu mma. Mouth wey talk bad, you go talk good. I say make I do this one so that Oyibo people, whether they go manage here wetin me I dey talk. Evangelist 2024 in Ngokpala, Imo State. Let's see all of us go carry our load. Una go see me carry my load go. I go carry my load go. We go after we go show before we go they go. This one our own. You can't do and say you even sew cloth, Igbo cloth, you can't wear am. Evangelist, well done. God will use you more. Na me talk am. Yes. Na me be one way talk say if they disturb you, may you leave and go Ogun State. See what you do for Imo State. When you finish, governors are coming to you. Evangelists, I claim what you they do. More grace. Because if person like better thing go come for him. I say make I talk am. The clothes where you wear, I like am. The miracle wey happen that day, I like am. Ngokpala where you go, I like am. I know say before next year, the thing where they go build there, God go give you grace. You know they collect money before you prophesy, but people go willingly build Salafik Hospital. I know say the biggest one. Not be only Salafik Hospital, university go dey there. Evangelists, you don't they grow, you know they fall. Igabago. Evangelist, you know why I go? I want build that university, write my name, put inside, say Na Love Ada Family TV Seraphic University. In Ngokpala, put am. I don't tell you another one. Because that place you go dey train people. You go dey train people. They go dey come out for the Lord. Hey! Evangelist Ebuka Obi 2024. But if una say good thing no good, may una look at. Evangelist Ebuka Obi, they go.